Let's look at the straight line questions. We say the tangent to the word curve y equal to 4x cubed plus ks squared minus 6x plus 4 at the point P 1 comma m is parallel to the x-axis where k and m are constant. Say find the value of k and the coordinate of P. Now what we're going to do first for this particular statement, they say this curve at this point is parallel to what? To x-axis. So that means at what? That point P, that is where what? We notice that if you draw a tangent to that curve P, which is this curve y, is parallel to what? To the x-axis. So the angle of slope for this angle of slope is what? 0. So tan theta is equal to m, which is slope. So tan 0 will be equal to what? What? M will equal to 0. Because tan 0 is 0. Now, since we now know that m is our gradient, which is the y over the x, it's called the gradient or the slope. Or we call it slope, which is already equal to 0 according to our analysis here. Therefore, let us differentiate y. So if we differentiate y, the y over the x will give us simply differentiation. That means 3 times 4 is 12. Remove 1 from that, we have what? 2 plus what? 2 times k is what? 2k. Remove 1 from 2, which will give us 1. Then minus 6. If you differentiate a constant, you have 0. Then equate everything to be equal to what? 0. But you know that this curve passes through this point. This point is like 1 comma m. So it passes through this point. So that point now is part of the curve. So for us to get our what? Our k, first of all, put the value of m, the x equal to 1. So this is x and this is y. So we are going to have 12 into bracket anywhere we see x plus 2k into bracket 1 minus 6 equal to 0. In order to get k, it's one of the constant. We are going to have it as what? 12. Then this one will give us 2k minus 6 equal to 0. You play with it. So what we're going to have now is what? Collect like terms. 12 minus 6 is 6 plus what? 2k. Therefore, k equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to minus 6 divided by 2. So what I would have now? Minus 3. So k equal to minus 3. Now, when you do that now, when you get your k, put it in the equation. 4x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 4. This becomes our curve, the main curve. Now, but since it passes through this point, so when y equal to m, x is equal to 1 along that curve, this is the complete equation of the curve. So when y equals to m, s equals to 1.